Buenos días, amigos. We've just packed all of our belongings. Well, pretty much. I'm nearly there. I'm just waiting for Jack to get out of the shower so I can brush my teeth. I'm editing the last video. Thank God. It's only 6 videos I had to do. Hopefully the next hostel has good Wi-Fi. Yeah, and then at 12, so in an hour, we're getting picked up in a taxi to go to the airport for our flight. Buzzing?
Yes, I'm excited to just
get out of Iquitos.
Yeah, it's nice, but it's not what we used to.
Yeah, true that. See you at the airport. Do we? We are at the airport. We've just checked in and crazy, but look at this. This is my seat. Number 1. We are in the first row.
It means we're important.
We're all sat next to each other as well for the first time in so long. The first flight is an hour. It stops in Paluca, something like that.
But we get front row, but we only get to sit there for an hour.
No. And then it stops for half an hour for a technical stop. We don't get off, and then it's an hour and 40 minutes to Lima. And then we get off and we've got 4 hours in Lima where we're definitely going to get McDonald's at least twice. And then it's like an hour or two to Quito. So yeah. We are in Lima airport for the 3rd and final time. Just currently waiting for Jack's bag, which is just coming now. And then we're off to check in to our last flight to Quito, which is in like 4 hours. And then we're gonna go get McDonald's. Woo! Well, lads, we're in row 1.
So much room for activities. Look at this. Ready? Look at that. Killer.
Smashed it. This is weird. I don't know why we're in row number 1, but it's pretty cool. Oh, Jack's got a side table.
Oh, mate. Look at you.
Flip it over. Go on.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, hang on.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, we've got it. We've got McDonald's. We've got Big Mac, chicken nugget meal, McFlurry, large, more McFlurry, chicken nuggets. Oh my god. I'm so excited.
We've never had to do this.
It turns out,
I think it's just a random, like...
yeah, I think they're just being
because they've had people do that in Peru and Bolivia.
Turns out we need a proof of onward travel for Ecuador, which is stupid because we've never had to do that anywhere, literally getting into South America, getting into South Africa, anywhere, but whatever. So we've just spent the last 20 minutes booking a last minute bus from Quito to Bogota, because that's physically the only one we can book. All the other buses, you have to book 30 hours before you leave. So that was like, what, £250, so like $500.
$500.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mum. That's going to come off the card soon. Don't worry.
So we're going to just cancel it once we got through here.
We lose some taxes, but it's going to be like...
No, we get the taxes. We just lose the booking fee. But I'm pretty sure there wasn't any booking fee, so we should be fine. That should then just cost 30 sol, which is like nothing anyway. It's like $8. So hopefully that is refunded fine. But yeah, so don't fly with Tammy, whatever it's bloody called. I think they're just being assholes.
You see there's something on the floor over there. Can you just double check?
So yeah, we're just waiting to check in, and then we're gonna go get McDonald's. Finally. Ah!